Jackie Laura.
You know what would be amazing, sister? If you started knocking.
Oh yeah, right. What you doing?
I'm setting up my new bed, but the instructions are confusing.
Maybe you should watch a YouTube video.
Great idea, sister. And with your shoes on? Are you an animal? Please, just get off.
But I was just having fun. I can't do this in my room because I have a bunk bed. Well, I could, but then my head would go through the ceiling.
Please, just get out of my room. I want to be alone.
All right, I'm going.
Sisters, right?